Hi, PK Claus here. Today I want to tell you about this Tastyle coffee pot. I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, so I may have messed that up, but that's okay. It comes with a basket that you can put your regular ground coffee in. And then you insert the basket just like this. And you close it up. And then it has different options on top. So you can choose how many cups based on ounces, if you want a hot brew, over ice brew, or if you want a bold brew, which is pretty cool because most coffee pots don't give you the option to choose bold. And then you open it just like this, and if you want to take it out, it comes out pretty easy. And it comes with this K-cup holder. You also put that in the same spot where the ground one goes, and then close it down the same way. Choose your options, and you're ready to go. And today, I chose a 16-ounce cup, and we're going to go with the K-cup style in the little holder. And I'm going to show you how to get it going. So we're going to close up the lid here, and it automatically comes on. And we're going to do a hot brew. So we're going to push this button right here. And I'm going to pick my ounces. Right now, it's on 8. So I'm going to choose 12. Even though I have a 16-ounce cup. Just so we don't have any overflow. And we're going to get it going and see what happens. Pretty quiet so far, so that's good. I chose a caramel flavor coffee, so it has that nice caramel aroma as it's brewing, which makes me happy. Takes about the same amount of time to brew as a Keurig coffee pot would. And it's currently doing its thing, as you can see. Now you can see it in our cup there. Looks pretty good. And in just a matter of minutes, you have a delicious hot cup of coffee, or iced if you prefer, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can have a bold cup of coffee.